Vibrant Village Program and Border Security. Governance, internal security, border area development, center-state relations. This is the theme of this particular topic. Recently, Union Home Minister Amit Shah inaugurated two-day workshop on Vibrant Village Program in New Delhi. That is why it was in news. Reiterated that border villages should not be considered the last villages of India. They should be considered the first villages of India. And hence, they should be developed accordingly. About this Vibrant Village Program, it is a centrally sponsored scheme, means center plus states, both are part of it. VVP-I was centrally sponsored scheme, means Vibrant Village Program. The first was launched in 2022-23 and it continued till 2025-26. And VVP-II, which is currently ongoing 2028-29, is a central sector scheme, means only Government of India or the central government is funding it, implementing it like this. So this is difference should be very clear to you. The VVP-I phase 1 coverage, target villages 2967 villages, location 46 blocks in the 19 districts. Arunachal Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh, Sikkim, Uttarakhand and Ladakh. All the states where border with China is shared, their Vibrant Village programs are being implemented or is being implemented. Village action plans prepared by district administration with Gram Panchayats, 100% saturation of central and state schemes which are meant for those people, whether it be Ayushman Bharat, whether it be Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana, whether it be Namaste scheme, whether it be MG Narega, any scheme which is meant for those areas, which is meant for the villages in India, 100% saturation should happen. No overlap with Border Area Development Program. Border Area Development Program is another program which was going on, but we should understand that that is a separate program. This is a separate program. VVP Phase 2, Central Sector Scheme, 100% center funding, approved April 2025 by Union Cabinet, outlays 6839 crore rupees. Vision aligns with Viksit Bharat at 2047 for safe, secured and vibrant land borders. Coverage, strategic villages along international land borders are covered. States and UTs, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Bihar, Gujarat, J&K, Ladakh, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Punjab, Rajasthan, Sikkim, Tripura, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh and West Bengal. So, the number of states have increased substantially. Earlier in VVP Phase 1, it was only those states sharing border with China, but now other states are also included, border states these are. Key objectives, prevent migration from border villages, achieve 100% saturation of government schemes in these villages, develop villages as instrument of national security and local empowerment. Vision behind VVP, shift in national perspective from viewing border villages as last to first settlements of the country. We have to make sure this happens. Strengthen strategic presence, patriotism and development in frontier regions. Strategic and security dimensions. Border villages are considered security assets. So, we need to develop them like that. Demographic changes in border areas flagged as deliberate challenge to national security. Example, PM's Independence Day speech highlighting concerns. So, we need to tackle those demographic challenges as well because a lot of in-migration and illegal migration has happened. Call for vigilance against illegal religious encroachments within 30 kilometers of border areas. So, this has been happening along the India-Bangladesh border to be very specific. So, this has to be taken care of. Key components of VVP implementation, Vibrant Village Program implementation, multi-sectoral development, infrastructure like telecom, roads, healthcare, drinking water, education, all these things will be developed. Tourism promotion, homestays with state-supported booking platforms. Employment generation to cooperatives and local procurement like ITBP sourcing local milk, vegetables, etc., which will be contributing to the earning of those people. Cultural preservation, promote and protect indigenous culture and identity of the people. Role of stakeholders, district collectors, key role in coordinating scheme saturation and tackling demographic issues. Central armed police forces like the border guarding forces and all are there on the borders. Contribute to education, healthcare and sports. Support formation of dairy cooperatives to supply security forces. And state governments essential for coordination or coordinated implementation. But the second phase State governments are not involved as such, but yes, the responsibility in some way or the other will be there. Outcomes and best practices. Positive population trends in border villages of Arunachal Pradesh have been experienced. Successful removal of encroachments along land and maritime borders in Gujarat have been experienced. Administrative suggestions by Home Minister: integrate vibrant village program into core administrative functioning. Use schemes like MGNREGA for creating ponds, afforestation and permanent rural infrastructure. Ensure interministerial coordination, Ministry of Home Affairs, Ministry of Defence, etc., etc.